Have you ever spent the whole day studying, but somehow learned absolutely nothing? Like you sat with your books open, your laptop on, your notes everywhere, and by the end, your brain feels like it just ran a marathon, but your results? Zero. If that sounds familiar, then listen closely. Because your study routine isn't broken. It's just built on one mistake. And the fix is stupid simple. And once you hear it, you won't be able to unhear it. Section 1. Why you feel stuck. You know what most students think. They think, if I'm not studying for 2-3 hours straight, I'm not doing enough. So you force yourself into these massive, unrealistic sessions. You sit down already stressed, already overwhelmed, and your brain is like, yeah, no, we're not doing this today. So you start checking your phone, rewatching the same paragraph, switching between tabs, wandering to the kitchen for snacks you're not even hungry for, and then comes the guilt spiral. I studied all day. Why am I not improving? This is the trap. You're not failing because you're lazy. You're failing because your routine is based on time, not progress. And time means nothing if your brain isn't focused. In Section 2, the real problem. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most study routines fail because they assume your brain is a machine. You write a perfect timetable. 8 a.m., chemistry. 10 a.m., math. 12 p.m., physics. And by 10:05 a.m., you're already off track. Why? Because a routine doesn't create focus. Focus creates a routine. But nobody teaches you how to create focus. They just say, be disciplined, sit longer, try harder. That's like telling someone drowning to just swim better. This is where the stupid simple fix comes in. Section 3. The fix. Ready? The reason your study routine isn't working is because you don't have a starting system. You only have a studying system. Read that again. You're trying to study like a person who's already in deep focus, while you're still distracted, tired, anxious, or overwhelmed. It's like trying to run a race without warming up. The solution? Build a 3-minute pre-study ritual. That's it. That's the fix. Not 30 minutes. Not some aesthetic 20-step morning routine. Just 3 minutes that teach your brain, hey, we're focusing now. Let me break this down. Section 4. The 3-minute pre-study ritual. This little ritual has 3 steps, 1 minute each. Step 1. Clean the space. 1 minute. Not a full room makeover. Just remove the 3 things that distract you the most. Your phone, 1 messy item, and any random paper. Tiny action, massive clarity. Step 2. Write your 1 task. 1 minute. Ask, if I only completed 1 thing today, what would matter the most? Not a list of 10, just 1. Your brain loves simplicity. It hates chaos. Step 3. Set a 10-minute timer. 1 minute. Not 25 minutes. Not an hour. Just 10. Because even if your motivation is dead, even if you slept at 3 a.m., you can give yourself 10 minutes. And here's the magic. Once you start, you almost always continue. Your brain hates starting, but it loves momentum. That's literally it. 3 minutes. Your whole study session changes. Section 5. Relatable moment plus emotional hook. I'll be honest with you. I used to be the person who made insane study routines, and then completed none of them. And every night I'd tell myself, tomorrow I'll be better. But tomorrow felt the same. It wasn't because I wasn't capable. It's because I kept trying to fix the wrong part of the process. When I finally switched to a tiny starting ritual, my sessions became consistent. My focus lasted longer. And the best part? I stopped hating studying. Sometimes the smallest change fixes the biggest problem. Section 6. How to use this tonight. Here's exactly what you're going to do tonight. 1. Sit down. 2. Clear 3 small distractions. 3. Write your 1 task. 4. Set a 10-minute timer. 5. Star.